Morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Thursday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, daily chart. We talk about this every day. Mid-band resistance, the green line, the 20-day simple moving average, the middle Bollinger Band. Upper band, lower band, okay? Traded up above it yesterday morning for an instant, and then it not only held as resistance, but it rejected and pushed price right back down into that low, 23.30 area. Did 31 quarter. We did 30 quarter the day before. We've seen an overnight bounce, but we saw an overnight bounce yesterday. So I'll be very interested when we get into the regular session, what kind of reaction are we going to have as we get up into the 40s? Is it going to continue to hold? If it continues to hold, the bears really need to take advantage of it. This is an opportunity the bears haven't had in a number of years. You've seen a consistent inability to trade above the daily mid-band. And they've done a couple of band rides here and there. We've done this. We did this for a couple, 2-3 days. This band ride, the most recent one, ended yesterday. But what you want to see from the bears is a little bit of what you saw last week. They can hang out up here, around the green line. But when you get a rejection candle like this, you need to follow through. You need to defend this high, and you need to follow through, break the weekly lows. So you're going to need to break the Sunday night 23.2275 and continue to put pressure on this market to the downside. For me, the bears really have two sessions, today and tomorrow, to break the Sunday night low and keep the pressure on the bulls into next week. If they can't do it, especially if they lose the daily mid-band over the next couple of days, then we head into a new week above the daily mid-band, converted the daily mid-band, and that gets much more of a buy the dips feel. They came in and bought the dips Sunday night. They bought every dip down into the 30s. So here's the hourly chart, and you can see, here's your Sunday night. Here was that touch of the lower Bollinger Band for the third day of the band ride, but as I said at the time, what you've done here is you've established the lower Bollinger Band as support. You come back down, you test it within a handle, but what you have here are higher lows, higher highs. So if the bulls keep this up, they get another higher high, they need to finish it off. And they'll need to finish it off by trading above yesterday's high and then holding 48 as support. If they can't get it done, then for me, the bears have got to break this low. What's door number 3? Door number 3 is we continue to battle between 38 and 48 and, maybe even 30 and 48. And that, the nice part of that is that's some nice trading in there. It's a nice 18 handle range. You can trade that long. You can trade that short. You can do a lot of things in there, and you can definitely make whatever your goals are for the day. In the room, our goal is 4 handles on a full position on average every day, and certainly an 18 handle trading range gives us, plenty of, that's definitely a wide enough berth to get that stuff done. So watch the daily midband, watch the weekly pivot, watch the daily pivot. For the third day in a row, it's all locked up here in the 38s. Its daily pivot hasn't moved. Here, here, here. It's not going anywhere because we keep gravitating back to the weekly pivot, which is what I've been talking about since Sunday night. Okay, we got the test early week that we pointed out Sunday night, and then it's just kind of hovered around there. So respect risk, take profits, see if you can get a runner to run, but be mindful of being stubborn short above the daily mid-band or stubborn long below, say, 23.30 and certainly below the Sunday night low, because that can, then you get caught up in something that you can't control. Okay? All right. Take care, everybody. I'll see you for the midday update. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade 'em well.